Hello friends, good morning everyone. Welcome to Educational Wing. Let's fly with success. Today is 2nd November 2020. This is our current affairs session. I am Sujit Kumar Mishra, your friend and mentor here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. It is very much helpful for all competitive examination because current affair plays an important role in all competitive exam. So try to watch the session till end for your better knowledge and preparation also. And those who first visit Educational Wing must subscribe the channel for the upcoming updates. Okay, let's proceed. This was our previous questions. We have to answer it first. Okay, our first question was Plastic Premier League is being played in which city? Delhi, Indore, Lucknow, or option D, Chennai? The correct answer here is the cleanest city of India, Indore. Recently, a unique Plastic Premier League (PPL), we can say it is at PPL, Plastic Premier League tournament is being played in Indore, Madhya Pradesh, to free the city from single-use plastic. Okay. Our second question was, who is the first player to scoring 1000 sixes in T20 cricket? Chris Gayle, Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma, or option D, KL Rahul? The correct answer here is the very veteran famous player of West Indies, Chris Gayle. Recently, Chris Gayle achieved only one player to having more than 1000 sixes in T20 matches. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. So proceed towards today's first question. First question of the today's session is, first time women guide appointed in which tiger reserve of India? Kanha Tiger Reserve, Corbett Tiger Reserve, Similipal Tiger Reserve, or option D, none of these? The correct answer here is Corbett Tiger Reserve. The Corbett Tiger Reserve. Recently, the first women guide appointed in Corbett Tiger Reserve of India, and the Corbett Tiger Reserve is situated in Uttarakhand. It is situated in Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand is in news. The capital of Uttarakhand is, there is two capital in Uttarakhand. One is Dehradun. Dehradun is the winter capital, and Garsen is the summer capital here. Trivendra Singh Rawat is the Chief Minister of Uttarakhand, and Baby Rani Moria is the governor of Uttarakhand. I hope you got the facts also now. Next question. Which country leads the world in plastic waste creation? China, USA, Japan, or option D, India? The correct answer here is option B, USA. The United States lead the world in plastic waste creation and is also among the top marine polluters according to the research. Okay, remember USA is in the first position in plastic waste creation, and China is in the first position of e-waste creation. E-waste creation, China is in the top position, and in plastic waste creation, USA is in the first rank. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Mesut Yilmaz passed away. He was the former prime minister of which country? Egypt, Brazil, Turkey, or option D, Sudan? The correct answer here is Turkey. Option C is correct here. The former prime minister of Turkey, Mesut Yilmaz, recently passed away at the age of 72. At the age of 72. Okay, and the capital of Turkey is Ankara. Ankara is the capital of Turkey. Currency is Turkish lira. Remember, Turkish lira is the currency of Turkey. Okay. Next question. When the International Internet Day is observed? When? This would be not here. Okay. When the International Internet Day is observed? 28 October, 29 October, 1st November, or option D, 2nd November? The correct answer here is 29 October. Every year on 29 October, International Internet Day is celebrated globally. Okay, and the first International Internet Day is observed in 2005. 2005. Okay, every human being of the world is now depending upon internet very much. So remember, this day is very much important. On 29th October, we observed International Internet Day. Question number 5. Which state Public Service Commission PSC introduced transgender as an option in the gender category? Assam, Rajasthan, Gujarat, or option D, Odisha? The correct answer here is Assam. Option A is correct here. The Assam Public Service Commission recently has introduced the transgender as an option in the gender category in the State Civil and Allied Service Commission. Okay, in the option of gender you can see the male, female and transgender also in the option of the Assam Public Service Commission's examination. Okay, Assam is in news. The capital of Assam is Dispur. Chief Minister is Sarbanand Sonowal and Jagdish Mukhi is the governor of Assam. Okay, I hope you got the facts also now. Next question. IBM has collaborated whom to transform the latter's customer experience using digital tools? Oil India, Indian Oil Corporation Limited or IOCL, option C ITC Limited or option D none of these. The correct answer here is option B IOCL, Indian Oil Corporation Limited. Recently IBM has collaborated with Indian Oil Corporation Limited to transform the latter's customer experience using digital tools. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Question number 7. The construction of the world's longest tunnel, Fehmarnbelt Tunnel, has begun. It will connect which countries? Denmark and Germany, Denmark and Sweden, Spain and Germany, or option D none of these. The correct answer here is option A Denmark and Germany. The construction of the world's longest immersed tunnel has officially begun. That will connect the Denmark and Germany. It is scheduled to be officially opened in 2029. Remember, it is scheduled to be completed this work till 2029 and it will connect Denmark and Germany. Remember, this question is very much important because it is the world's longest immersed tunnel. Okay. Next question. Question number 8. Which state observed its 65th establishment day on 1st November 2020? The correct answer here is option C Madhya Pradesh. Recently on 1st November 2020, Madhya Pradesh observed its 65th establishment day. Okay, Madhya Pradesh is in news. The capital of Madhya Pradesh is Bhopal. Chief Minister is Shivraj Singh Chauhan and governor is Anandiben Patel. Anandiben Patel is the governor of Madhya Pradesh also. Next question. Who has flagged off a 200-kilometer walkathon Feed India in Rajasthan? Kiran Rijiju, Narendra Modi, Amit Shah or option D Rajnath Singh. The answer here is Union Sports Minister Kiran Rijiju. A 200-kilometer walkathon aimed at promoting Feed India was flagged up by Union Sports Minister recently Kiran Rijiju. It was flagged up from the desert location. It is flagged up in desert location along the India-Pakistan international border in Rajasthan. Along the India-Pakistan international border in Rajasthan. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Question number 10. Who is appointed as chairman of FIFS? Sunil Kumar, Bimal Julka, Varun Chaudhary, option D none of these. The correct answer here is Mr. Bimal Julka. Recently, the FIFS stands for Federation of Indian Fantasy Sports. Remember, Federation of Indian Fantasy Sports. Recently, FIFS announced the Mr. Bimal Julka as its chairman. Okay. This is our question of the day. You have to answer in our comment section and we will discuss this answer in our upcoming session. Our first question is, which state has launched Dharani Portal? Dharani Portal. Okay. Our second question is, which state is the best governed state in the country? Okay, please try to answer in the comment section. Thereby regular practice is done by you. It is very much helpful for you. Okay, if you like the session, then you can share it in your educational related group. Thereby many students got help. Thank you for watching this session. Please like, subscribe and share as much as you can. Thereby many students got help. And those who first visit educational wing must subscribe the channel for the upcoming updates. Thank you. Have a great day.